best natural remedies to regrow cartilage and support joints. How to rebuild and restore cartilage naturally. Is joint pain affecting your daily life? Whether it's due to aging, injury, or conditions like arthritis, damaged cartilage can lead to discomfort and limited mobility. The good news is that nature offers solutions to help rebuild and restore cartilage. In this video, I'll reveal natural remedies and lifestyle changes that can support cartilage regeneration and improve your joint health. Understanding cartilage and its importance. Cartilage is the flexible, rubbery tissue that cushions your joints, allowing smooth movement and absorbing shock. When it wears down, it can lead to stiffness, pain, and joint damage. While the body's ability to regenerate cartilage is limited, certain natural remedies and lifestyle adjustments can help slow down degeneration and promote healing. Remedy number 1. Focus on cartilage building nutrients. Certain nutrients are essential for rebuilding cartilage. One of the most important is collagen, which is a key component of cartilage. You can boost your collagen by consuming bone broth, foods rich in vitamin C like citrus fruits, berries, and leafy greens, and by using good supplements which help your body to produce collagen naturally. Remedy number 2, increase omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, and they can help reduce joint inflammation and promote cartilage health. Fatty fish, for example, salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are excellent sources of omega-3s. If you don't consume fish, consider plant-based options like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Remedy number 3. Include sulfur-rich foods. Sulfur is vital to produce collagen and other tissues that support cartilage. Eating foods like garlic, onions, and cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli and cabbage can boost your sulfur levels and support cartilage health. Remedy number 4. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight puts extra pressure on your joints, leading to faster cartilage breakdown. By maintaining a healthy weight through balanced nutrition and regular exercise, you can reduce strain on your joints and protect your cartilage from further damage. Remedy number 5. Stay active with low-impact exercises. Regular movement helps stimulate the production of synovial fluid, which nourishes cartilage. Low-impact exercises like swimming, cycling, or Pilates and yoga are excellent for keeping your joints flexible without putting too much stress on them. Avoid high-impact exercises that could worsen cartilage damage. Close. While restoring cartilage naturally takes time, these remedies and lifestyle changes can make a big difference in how your joints feel and function. By focusing on nutrient-rich foods, reducing inflammation, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you can support your body's ability to rebuild and protect your cartilage. If you're looking for personalized advice or improving joint health, schedule a free 20-minute consultation with me. Spaces are limited. I'm going to do that section again. Closing statement. While restoring cartilage naturally takes time, these remedies and lifestyle changes can make a big difference in how your joints feel and function. By focusing on nutrient-rich foods, reducing inflammation, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you can support your body's ability to rebuild and protect your cartilage. If you're looking for personalized advice on improving joint health, schedule a free 20-minute consultation with me. Spaces are limited.